And let's take this opportunity to talk a bit about Bitcoin. Have you ever stopped to think that today the monthly, semi-annual, and annual candles close? If the monthly close already impacts movements, now stop and think what an annual close must be like, especially after the start of a potential bear market.
Yeah, I'm here to make a thank you video for our year 2025, which was a turning point in my life, my family, professional life, and everything. Few people know that the name P.aiIndicator didn't come because of Bento. It was long before Laura's pregnancy.
No, the name was a tribute to my father who had passed away, and so I gave it this name, P.aiIndicator, which was my own creation, and that became the name of the group, the name of the indicator, which it remains to this day, and today everyone calls me Pi. And I'd like to start by thanking my wife and Bento, who arrived this year, and BingX, which came into being, and all of you in the group who are a part of all of this. Our group was not planned, just like Bento.
It began with the development of the P.aiIndicator, which is my personal trading view indicator, designed for me to trade exactly how I do. The plan was never to sell this indicator. I developed it for my own use. I only shared it with my brother Gabriel, who's also in the group. I didn't use Telegram. I started using it and joining groups. And during that time, in one group, I'd post my analysis using my indicator.
I met Dan and Dan wanted to buy the P.aiIndicator. I said it was a shock to me because I'd never even planned to sell this indicator, and he created all these networks for me, helped me, charged nothing. The group grew fast, and then the partnership with BingX emerged, which for me was a turning point. Since 2018, they've been doubling their user base.
And last year, they were boasting 20 million users, and now they've already hit 40 million, and they continue to grow, sponsoring Chelsea. BingX came into my life at a truly crucial moment because Laura was about to have her baby. I already possessed my own sources of income. I was already involved with a number of other ventures, but I didn't have a partnership that could make me feel so happy because I'd always enjoyed trading. It had always been my favorite pastime. I also never could dedicate myself so much to it. Now, with the BingX partnership, I still have some businesses which also make up part of my income, but I can operate calmly. This is very important because from the moment you want to dedicate your life to trading without having peace of mind for it, you can end up losing money. The trading operation needs to be carried out with money that you have at your disposal, perhaps even money you're prepared to lose. But with peace of mind and adequate cash flow, you'll have much greater patience to operate. This way, you'll be able to properly follow the market's movements and won't find yourself constantly running after trades. Just place your small order there, waiting. Eventually, it will be filled, and then your trade will certainly be successful.
And in our group, we're always sharing updates on my trades. We have bots that assist with people's analyses, and whenever the market makes a move, we're reactive. Then I quickly go and record a video for YouTube. I'm not a YouTuber, by the way. Making videos isn't my main strength, but we keep learning, we keep improving, we keep evolving.
Our group, it doesn't have a favorite side. You know, we are not Bitcoin fanatics. We don't cheer for Bitcoin to go up or down. We simply trade what the market has to offer us on any given day. The market cannot chase us. Instead, we follow the market's flow. And if you've been following my YouTube channel, you'll have seen that this downward movement Bitcoin has been making. Our group was warned about it on August 31st.
So for those who want to check this out, go back to the live streams that we've done in the past. You'll find a live stream discussing the Bitcoin price drop signal for the year 2026. There's so much new content to explore. Nobody knows how the cryptocurrency market will evolve, and BingX is already prepared for it. And that was my first conversation with Dennis, my manager, that BingX is already prepared for Forex RWA, which stands for real world assets, and also for stocks and indices from the traditional market. So if crypto goes under, BingX is prepared and we will continue operating. If you need to talk to me, reach out on Telegram. It will be a pleasure to speak with all of you. Now I'm going to smash this meat and I'll show you how it turned out later.
And I want to take this opportunity to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Have you guys ever really stopped to consider that today we're seeing the closing of the monthly, the semi-annual, and the annual candles? If a monthly close already has such a significant impact on market movements, now just pause and think about what an annual close must truly be like, especially after the very beginning of a bear market.
So we'll keep a close eye on the market's volatility. We'll observe and we'll be reactive. Most importantly, just one more sear on this meat that we'll soon be enjoying.
Everyone, I'm dedicating this little short rib to all of you, wishing you a prosperous 2026, one that's better than 2025.
We're in this together. Let's keep on growing. Let's teach and let's learn. And Dad's group will continue to grow. I'm counting on all of you. We're in this together. A big hug to you all and a happy 2026.
Happy New Year to Y26. We're all in this together.